Hello everyone, I'm Julian Deville and I will be your trainer during this new course about character creation for Unity and Blender. For people who don't know me, I'm a 3D freelancer and a certified trainer from the Blender Foundation, and I did already create a few trainings, so we have a complete training from beginner to pro and a dinosaur creation training that are available here. Just have a look if you want to. If you are new to 3D and want to create your own character and assets for Unity, this training is really for you. Here we will go directly to the heart of Blender by following a complete workflow that will allow you to understand the power of this incredible software. During this training we will discover together the basics of modeling, texturing, rigging, animation, until the export of our character for Unity. If you come from coding and that you are not really confident with drawing and painting, don't worry, this workflow doesn't need any knowledge on this field, so if really you don't know how to draw, don't worry. All source files, textures and references images are included in the course. A backup file is available after each video so you can follow the evolution of the character during the creation process. Blender is a very powerful open source multi-platform software, so you just have to go to blender.org and to download the software and install it on your computer. It's free and ready for you. This training is a must-have and a great opportunity, so don't hesitate. See you during the training.